Every morning, Honey Lemon would fly out of her hive, filled with excitement for the day ahead. She loved to visit the meadows and the forests, meeting all the other insects and learning about their lives. One sunny afternoon, Honey Lemon overheard the bees talking about a magical land far, far away. They said it was a place where flowers bloomed all year round, and the nectar was sweeter than anything they had ever tasted. Curious and eager to find this magical place, Honey Lemon asked the bees for directions. They told her to follow the path of the sunrise, and she would eventually find her way to the land of eternal bloom. The next day, Honey Lemon set off on her journey. She flew for hours, her wings fluttering with determination. Finally, she saw the path of the sunrise, and she followed it with hope in her heart. As she flew, she saw beautiful sights that she had never seen before. There were colorful butterflies, playful dragonflies, and even a group of friendly ants. They all wished her luck on her journey and offered to help if she needed it. After many days and nights, Honey Lemon arrived at the land of eternal bloom. It was even more beautiful than the bees had described. There were flowers of every color, and the nectar was indeed sweeter than anything she had ever tasted. Honey Lemon spent days exploring this magical land, meeting new friends, and tasting delicious nectar. But as much as she loved it, she knew that it was time to return home. She had missed her friends and family, and she wanted to share her story with them. With a heavy heart, Honey Lemon said goodbye to her new friends and began her journey back home. She followed the path of the sunset this time, and after many days and nights, she finally arrived back at her hive. Her friends and family were overjoyed to see her, and they listened eagerly as she told them about her magical adventure. They were amazed by the beautiful land she had found and the wonderful friends she had made. From that day on, Honey Lemon would often fly back to the land of eternal bloom on her days off. She would bring back stories and nectar to share with her friends and family, and they would all marvel at her magical adventures. And so, Honey Lemon lived happily ever after, always eager to explore and learn new things. She knew that the world was a big and wonderful place, and she was excited to see what other adventures awaited her. The end.